Hey, I just wanted to do a 1 month review, roughly around 220 miles, on the Trek Fuel EX5. I tell you, this is probably one of the better bikes that you can get right now for the price.
Well, let's start off with the only real cons I have. So the brakes that came with it, I switched them out to the XTR, I believe they're the M9120. Those are the 4-piston ones. The other one just didn't look strong enough for me, so. Actually, the biggest problem right now is, so the top tooth here is 42, and the smallest tooth here is a 11. So it's undergeared and overgeared. Maybe a 46 or a 44 would work out better for the top. Maybe a 10 would work out, but it's a 10 speed, so that is one of the biggest problems. But it does shift well. It has a clutch on there, so that works out. But that's my only real two cons of the bike. I really thought some of the negative parts were going to be this Deluxe Select plus RockShox shock. Actually, it's been smooth. I really like it. The 140 Recons by RockShox. One of the coolest settings that I put in, so you could have it fully locked up in here, and it kind of looks like there's a light in there, but so it's fully locked out, and then you could open all the way up. What I've been doing on this one trail here in Vegas, I'll put a link in there somewhere. So we got a lot of 1 foot to 2 foot, 3.5 foot drops, and I find the best setting is 2 clicks in, and it is dialed in. It is fantastic. So it's 2 clicks in from the top. So I'm in 1, 2 is the best setting, and I'm using about 90% of the fork. Yeah, I really love it. So the rotors are cool. I'm changing those out with the new hubs that I'm getting, but here are those XTR 4-piston brakes. The geometry is fantastic. I'm about a 5'11", so this is a large, and it fits perfect. I thought I was going to go with a medium large, but this worked out like a champ. Dropper post is legit. Really like that. Let me see what else I can tell you guys. So anyways, I'm just an amateur guy, just trying to tell you guys about the bike, and I love it. So with that said, my next set of upgrades are coming in. I just ordered them. So I am going to go with the XTR 1051 cassette. Change the derailleur to the 12-speed derailleur. Change the shifter into the 12-speed shifter 2 by XTR. And the hubs is going to be XTR 2. But the cool thing is, I'm actually keeping the rims. I actually thought these rims are really nice, so I'm gonna keep them. I was gonna order a whole new set, maybe a DT Swiss, but I'm gonna go that route. Oh, add one more thing is the XR4 Team Issued 2.6, probably one of the greatest tires I've ever ridden on. They're so fantastic. I love them. I love them a lot. Yeah, they're pretty legit. So, all right. That's pretty much it. It's a cool bike. Man, I'm really impressed with it. So my next video probably be my upgrades. They should be in today, and hopefully have them on in the next couple days.